Welcome back. Today we're diving into a crucial upgrade for any laptop user craving more performance. The G.Skill Ripjaws 32GB DDR5 SO-DIMM kit. Specifically, we're looking at the F548OS3434A16GX2RS model, a 2x16GB kit clocked at 4,800 MHz. In the world of laptop RAM, SO-DIMMs are the name of the game, and G.Skill is a well-respected brand known for quality and performance. This Ripjaws kit aims to bring the speed and capacity benefits of DDR5 to your portable workstation or gaming machine. First impressions matter, and the packaging is clean and functional, protecting the modules well. Inside, you get two 16GB sticks ready to be installed. Installation, of course, would depend on your laptop model. Consult your laptop's manual to find the RAM slots and follow the proper procedure. It's generally a straightforward process, but always take precautions against static electricity. Now let's talk specs. This kit runs at 4,800 MHz with timings of 34-34-34-76. These timings are important because they affect latency, which can impact performance. While tighter timings are always desirable, these are pretty standard for DDR5 SO-DIMMs at this speed. The kit operates at 1.1 V, which is within the standard voltage range for DDR5, ensuring compatibility and power efficiency. But what does all this mean for real-world performance? The jump from DDR4 to DDR5 brings significant bandwidth improvements. This translates to faster data transfer rates, which can benefit a wide range of tasks. For content creators, this means snappier video editing, faster rendering times, and smoother performance when working with large files. Gamers will see improved frame rates, especially in CPU-bound games, and reduced stuttering. Even everyday tasks like browsing the web and multitasking feel more responsive. The 32GB capacity is also a huge plus. Many laptops come with 8GB or 16GB of RAM, which can quickly become a bottleneck, especially if you're running multiple applications or working with large datasets. Upgrading to 32GB provides ample headroom, preventing your system from slowing down when you push it to its limits. Of course, the actual performance gains will depend on your specific laptop configuration and the tasks you're performing. However, in general, upgrading to a DDR5 kit like this G.Skill Ripjaws can provide a noticeable boost in performance. One thing to keep in mind is compatibility. Make sure your laptop supports DDR5 SO-DIMMs before purchasing this kit. Check your laptop specifications or consult the manufacturer's website. Also, ensure that your laptop has two available SO-DIMM slots to take full advantage of the dual-channel configuration, which maximizes bandwidth. Overall, the G.Skill Ripjaws 32GB DDR5 SO-DIMM kit is a solid upgrade option for laptop users looking to boost performance. The 4,800 MHz speed and 32GB capacity provide a significant improvement over standard configurations, making it ideal for content creation, gaming, and demanding workloads. While the timings could be tighter, they're within the norm for this type of memory. If you're looking to breathe new life into your laptop, this Ripjaws kit is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.